Good morning, everybody. Today is Thursday, May 9th, 2024. This is Corey Bonsack. I'm Associate Broker, Next Home Champions, and I am coming to you today from our Higgins Lake location where I am located at. Tom asked me today to please do our 10 at 10, and I'm more than happy to be able to, and honored to be able to take the advantage of the time and do that for him this morning. So today's topic I want to cover is doing graphics and graphic presentations or graphic posts using AI. AI is becoming a bigger and bigger part of our lives and how we apply it to real estate to help us to be better agents and stand out in the marketplace. There's a number of different platforms out there that folks use. Etsy's one, Canva's one. There's other ones out there. The one that I have found that works good for me and I have a preference of using has been Canva. So I'm going to go through today how we can take a property and create just a quick Facebook video to put out on Facebook on social media that will present a property out onto the marketplace for us. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen here this morning and just walk through how this tool works on a basic level for everyone. All right. Can everybody see my shared screen there? All right. I got the thumbs up. We're good to go. So this is what Canva looks like when you kind of first log in. This is the home page. So to create a quick video, you can click on the templates tab over here on the left. And let's just say we want to do a Facebook video right here in the middle of the screen's Facebook videos. So we click on that. Um, it gives us some different templates we can use to do that with, which is really cool. Canva, as far as user friendliness, it's a lot to take in when you first get in here and start looking at all the things that you can do, but they provide tons of templates to help you get started and help you learn their software. I'm just going to go ahead and choose this one that's over here on the left, just as an example, and hit customize this template. And you'll see it's going to drop this template in to a project for us. Maybe my internet's running a little bit slow this morning. There we go. So down here on the bottom, you'll see that it kind of creates what'll be a string of different slides and stuff to create a video. It dropped this one in here as the front page, as a lead off page. You can duplicate this page if you want by coming down, hitting right click, duplicate a page, and then create multiple pages that way if you want. I'm just going to delete this page back out for a second because I don't really want to do that, but you can. But these are super customizable pages. So I'm just going to choose one of my other properties that I already have some preloaded photos in here for. I created a video last week for a commercial property I have listed in West Branch. I'm just going to use that as an example again. So you can see all my photos that I've pre-uploaded over here on the left. It's as simple as just drag and drop with the software. And you can just bring the photos right over in, drop them in. It'll replace the ones that are in the template. Let's see, yeah, I'll put my QR code in there. I like generating QR codes for my listings and properties. That's becoming a new thing too. Definitely something to check into if you haven't done that yet. And then from there, you can customize the text. I'm not going to go through and do that for the purpose of today's short presentation, but if you want to, you can mess around and change the texts to make it say whatever you want. So if I want to create a video, you can come up here and click on the design tab at the top left over here. And you'll see right here, it has where it says generate videos instantly. This is the tool that you can use to generate a video of this property to do a walkthrough for it. So here's some preloaded video snippets that I took of the property when I walked through and did a walkthrough. You can see they range in length anywhere from 5 seconds, some of them up to 20 seconds long. And we can just start clicking on some of these to say these are the videos we want to include in the presentation. I think you have to have a minimum of 3, and you can add up to 10 to get started. You can always add more later. And then you need to put in a description for what you want to tell the artificial intelligence to do. So we're going to say create a walkthrough tour for real estate and hit the generate button. And away it goes. Takes a second because it's videos. If it's photos, it's much quicker. So it went through and it changed all the lengths of the videos and made them all the same. You can see it again down here on the bottom, each of those videos that I selected. It by default just picked an audio track out of its inventory and dropped an audio track on here to play along with it. If you click on these, you can see it automatically added some text to each of these, kind of describing it. It's not accurate. I mean, you can see here it says, "Welcome to your new home." This is a commercial building. Again, you can click on the text and change it to "Welcome to our new commercial building listing" if you want to customize it for your purposes. And again, you just go through each one of these snippets. You can change it. You can edit it. If you click on them, you can come up here and actually move. You can see up here at the top, this is the what it clipped out of that longer video. It clipped the section. You can move these sidebars back and forth to make it whatever part of the section of that video you want. The playback, you can change the playback speed if you want to speed it up or slow it down. You can click on the edit video and you can do different things with it. Photos, you can do a lot more things with them. You can click the animate button up at the top and have it do things like you can have it there, added a drift effect to the video. You can have it do a tumble effect. There you go. So where the video tumbles in, then it'll ask you, do you want to do it at the beginning or the front of the video? You can do it on both. Pretty cool, all the different options for what you want to do here. The audio, you can see it didn't stretch the audio across the first image there. So you can just very easily stretch that back. So now it includes the entire track of videos. Really cool effect that they have here is you can hit beat sync here and it'll sync up the music automatically. As soon as I click that, I watched it do it down here to where the music beats will change automatically as the videos change. And they even change the length of some of the videos in order to make that happen. So I'm just going to hit play here so everybody can kind of see what that did automatically without me messing around with it much. Again, you can go in here and change the effects that you want to. There's tons of options, but this is just a short introduction and snippet onto how easy it is to get in and do something with Canva. All right, so that's Canva. Just a short introduction to it, how Canva works. I feel like anymore, I'm almost become a more of a graphic designer specialist and being a real estate agent in today's day and age. But that's just kind of the way it goes. It's what we do in order to get our advertising for ourselves first and foremost out there. We advertise ourselves in order to promote people's properties for them to help them in their buying and selling needs. Everybody have a fantastic, wonderful day. Thank you very much. If you have any questions or any feedback of any sort, please feel free to get in touch with me. Love to hear from you. Thanks. And everybody have a wonderful day.